In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can run correlation and interpret the results using this free open source software, which is JASP. So once we have the data like this, we simply go to the regression icon and go here to correlation. And we will have a table like this, and then we will put the variables that we want to regress or correlate into this box. And here is the Pearson's correlations are. You could see the that there is a statistically significant positive strong correlation between AL and PE variables, which is 75.9%, and it is statistically significant at below 0.001 p-value. So all of these correlations are statistically significant, and all of them are positive and they are strong. There is a table that can help you interpret the results of a Pearson correlation. I can share it with you. So this is the parametric Pearson correlation. There is also non-parametric Spearman Rose correlation, which is this one. So it shows the same or almost the same significant results, but here the strength is decreased. And if we use them both according to field 2013, this is called sensitivity analysis, in case we have the data that is not normally distributed. We can also run Kendall's tau B correlation. We can also display other like flag significant correlations with the asterisks like this, or with the stars. You could see it here. We could also add confidence intervals for the correlations. Let's say for the Pearson's correlations with confidence intervals, upper and lower 95%. We could also see the alternative hypothesis if it is, let's say, directional, non-directional hypothesis, and if it is directional hypothesis, whether the correlation is positive or negative. So this is called like two-tailed hypothesis, and this is like one-tailed positive, one-tailed negative. So this just depends on the way you formulate your research hypothesis for more exactitude. Here we can add scatter plots as well. And then we have the density variables, statistics, confidence. So here we could also calculate the sample size, the effect size. And then we can check directly the assumptions of correlations to see which one to keep, whether the Pearson, that is the parametric correlation, or the Spearman, that is non-parametric correlation. So here I could do the multivariate normality through Shapiro weld. That should not be statistically significant. Here it is statistically significant, meaning that there is a violation of normality. Mostly Likert scale data is not normally distributed. That's why we go back to the sample size. If the sample size is high, we can keep parametric statistics. If it is low, we can use non-parametric statistics to avoid making type 1, type 2 errors. So pairwise normality, Shapiro weld, the same, is showing that some variables are violating normality. In fact, all of them are violating the normality except this variable that has a p-value that is 0.06, which is above 0.05. We can also add a heat map if we want. So the heat map is going to be displayed like this for the correlations. Then we have all of these, like for the options, we can have exclude cases pairwise, exclude cases listwise when it comes to missing values. So these are all the functions provided by this free open source software that is JASP with regard to correlation analysis. We can sometimes add descriptive statistics with correlations in one table, but we need to do that manually after getting each table separately from JASP and then putting things together in a Microsoft Office Word document. In this table, you can see the correlation, how you can interpret it. If it is between 0.3 and minus 0.3 and positive 0.3, this is weak, negative, weak, positive correlationship. If it is between minus 0.5 and plus 0.5, it is moderate, negative, positive relationship respectively. If it is between minus 5 and minus, let's say, if it is like between these values, like 0.5 and 9, it is either strong positive relationship or strong negative relationship with the negative and the positive ones. If it is this way, like especially 0.9 and above, be it negative or positive, it is very strong negative, very strong positive relationship. And the p-value thresholds are specified at 0.05, 0.01, and 0.001, and even 0.000. These are like the significance thresholds. And this is like according to Phil 2024 in his book that is Discovering Statistics Using IBM SPSS Statistics. So this is in brief how we can interpret the correlation coefficients. And I hope this video has helped you, and see you soon. Bye for now.